Welcome to the new era of the dinar current. Imagine waking up to the news that the Iraqi dinar has officially revalued and is now trading live on the global Forex market. That day has finally arrived. For Iraq, for investors like you, and for the broader financial world, this moment marks a dramatic turning point, one that's been anticipated for years. Logging into your trading platform and seeing the dinar actively quoted with a fresh exchange rate is no longer a dream. It's reality. This monumental change could reshape Iraq's economic path and trigger a surge of attention across financial markets worldwide. For Iraqi citizens, it's the dawn of renewed hope and pride in their economy. For patient investors, it's the long-awaited payoff after enduring years of doubt and uncertainty. Globally, the revaluation signals the return of a resource-rich nation, eager to rejoin the world's financial community with newfound strength and credibility. May 13, 2025, a day to remember. Today may very well be etched into financial history. After decades of conflict, speculation, and unfulfilled promises, we now have confirmed news from one of the most respected names in global banking, Chase Bank. They've officially declared that the Iraqi dinar has not only re-entered the global currency market but has done so with a revalued rate. This isn't rumor. This isn't speculation. It's a concrete development that alters the investment landscape. When Chase Bank makes a statement of this magnitude, markets take notice. Iraq is no longer a high-risk outlier, it's positioning itself as a serious emerging market with strong potential. A new financial chapter begins. For followers of Iraqi economic reform, this is more than a headline, it's a moment of validation. Our platform has tracked Iraq's progress for years, offering deep dives into policies, reforms, and on-the-ground realities. Today, all of that groundwork has come to fruition. To new viewers, welcome. You're witnessing one of the most significant developments in the Middle East's financial story. This moment transcends currency values, it's about sovereignty, economic resurgence, and global reintegration. Iraq is taking charge of its future, and the world is watching. No longer a drill, the dinar is live and revalued. After years of speculation and debate, the dinar's revaluation and return to Forex is now official. While the exact rate hasn't been publicly confirmed, insiders suggest it represents a substantial increase. This signals to investors and analysts that Iraq is serious about taking its rightful place in global finance. The move opens doors to international trade, boosts investor confidence, and invites stronger foreign partnerships. For years, traders and holders of the dinar have waited for this moment, and now it's finally arrived. The road to revaluation. This wasn't an overnight success. Iraq has spent years rebuilding and reforming. It started by dismantling the controversial USD auction system, which had long distorted the currency's value. The country also bolstered its gold reserves, acquiring 20 tons earlier this year, to enhance financial stability and align with global trends. Efforts to de-dollarize the economy pushed the use of dinar in local transactions. Transparency, anti-corruption measures, and improvements in banking all helped lay the foundation for this milestone. Chase Bank's seal of approval. Perhaps the most influential endorsement comes from Chase Bank. Their public recognition of the revaluation gives legitimacy to Iraq's reform efforts and assurance to institutional investors. This sets the stage for other major financial institutions to follow, improving access, liquidity, and credibility in trading the dinar. It's a domino effect. When a major player like Chase gets involved, it paves the way for broader market participation. What this means for traders and investors. With the dinar now listed and traded on Forex platforms, the currency becomes globally accessible like the euro or yen. Real-time price tracking, transparent transactions, and improved market liquidity mean investors, both large and small, can now participate with ease. This also enhances safety, regulation, and efficiency, allowing new investors to enter a market with fresh momentum and reduced risk. For long-time holders, it's the moment they've prepared for. For newcomers, it's a unique chance to invest early in a rapidly evolving economy. A stronger Iraq means a stronger dinar. This revaluation isn't just about currency exchange, it's about rebuilding an economy. Iraq, once overly dependent on oil, now has the opportunity to expand its agricultural, industrial, and service sectors. A stronger dinar enables better trade deals, boosts domestic purchasing power, and attracts international investment. On the global stage, Iraq gains political and economic clout. It becomes a more attractive destination for development loans, infrastructure partnerships, and educational collaborations. This moment can be a catalyst for broad, meaningful change, empowering the Iraqi people. Most importantly, the revaluation affects the everyday lives of Iraqi citizens. For too long, they've struggled under the weight of inflation, instability, and a weak currency. A stronger dinar means greater access to necessities, improved services, and new job opportunities. Entrepreneurs can now operate with greater confidence. Families can expect better affordability and quality of life. This is more than economics, it's about restoring hope and dignity to a resilient population. The road ahead, opportunity and caution. While this is a significant breakthrough, challenges remain. Political tensions, corruption, and infrastructure needs still pose risks. Sustained progress will require smart governance and continued reform. For investors, this is a time to stay alert. Monitor developments, consult trusted financial advisors, and make informed decisions. The revaluation is just the beginning of Iraq's broader transformation. Conclusion: a historic moment. The Iraqi dinar's return to the global stage marks a new era for a country that has endured hardship, shown resilience, and is now poised for growth. For believers in Iraq's future, this is the breakthrough they've been waiting for. For the Iraqi people, it's a step toward prosperity and independence. And for global finance, it's the emergence of a new player with long-term promise. We'll continue to follow every development right here on Dinar Current. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Most of all, tell us, what does this moment mean to you? Whether you're a long-time investor or simply someone watching history unfold, your voice matters. Until next time, stay aware, stay ready, and keep looking forward.